Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about serial plotter, and in order for you to understand this episode, please watch my previous episode about analog reading. Link is going to be somewhere in the corner. So now I'm just going to explain what you have in front of you. So I have on pin 36 connected middle pin of my adjustable resistor, and here is where pin mode is set to input, and in here we have initialize a serial monitor, and now with this piece of code we are actually reading input. But keep in mind, we are actually getting a number in between 0 and 4095 on my Node MCU ESP32 microcontroller, where 0 represents 0 volt and 4095, this maximal value, actually represents 3.3 volts. And with this percent variable we have calculated value in percentage, and with voltage variable we have calculated actual voltage. Well, now if we use serial monitor, we are going to get this value printed. So we are going to get recorded value and then percentage, tab space, and then voltage, and this symbol for voltage. Now if you want to use serial plotter, you have to change this a little bit. Let me show you. So now I'm going to use print ln. So you must have new line. Why? Because new line, it's what separates two values from one another, and we are just going to provide, let's say, voltage like this. I'm going to save this code and I'm going to upload this code. Okay, now just go to tools and open your serial plotter. Make sure that your baud rate is set the same as in your code, so 9600. And now I'm just going to press my flash button once again. All right. So now when I actually change value on my adjustable resistor, you are going to see that our value is changing on our plotter. Nice. Now in order to set some label for this plot, we are going to add one more line. Serial print, and I'm going to write something like this: voltage column. You have to send a label text. So column, it's what separates label text from actual value. And now I'm going to save this code, and of course you need this new line at the end in order for everything to work perfectly. I'm going to upload this code right now. Okay, I'm going to restart this serial plotter. I'm going to do it again. Yes, I forgot, I need one more space in here. I'm going to upload this code once again. Okay, let's see what we have. And wonderful. We have our voltage, label, and with values everything is the same. Okay, now what if you want to have multiple values plotted and multiple labels? How to solve that? Let me show you. I'm going to close this. Now what I'm going to do, instead of print and println, I'm going to use printf. And I'm going to create format. So first we are going to set label of vol1, then column, %f. So this is going to send first value then comma. Comma, it's what separates two different values in this case. So I'm going to create another label vol, and then column. Column, it's what separates label from value. So now I'm going to add another f, another comma, and third value, third label vol3, column, and another %f. And now we are going to provide values. So first value, it's going to be just regular voltage. Second value, it's going to be voltage times 0.25, and third value is going to be voltage times 0.75. Okay, I forgot new line at the end. So you see how new line it's important, because that is what separates two values from one another. Without it, our serial plotter cannot work. Upload this code once again. So now I'm going to open my serial plotter. Okay, you see that we have all three labels and all of three values. I'm going to turn value to 0 and then to 3.3 volts, and everything is just fine. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you are going to find this content useful. Please like, subscribe, and see you around.